Hang on, Timothy. I'll be right back.
Who is it?
Open up, Vladimir.
Go away.
Peter Gunn.
Forgive my precautions.
What's wrong?
I'm under personal attack.
By whom?
My landlord.
For what?
My rent.
What happened to all your paintings?
My paintings are here. I have found expression for the soul, Piotr. This is the true art. Sound paintings.
What?
Observe. I call this Ode to a Purple Baboon. It is so beautiful, I cannot look upon it anymore.
Look.
Piotr, you are a peasant. A pleasant peasant, but a peasant. You are listening. You must not listen. You must see with your ears. I show you. This is my Madonna. My Mona Lisa. You will be the first to gaze upon it. I call it Lady of the Azaleas.
Vladimir. Vladimir.
Piotr.
How would you like to make 25 bucks?
Yes.
Do you know a man named Casper Wellington?
No, but no. That's $50.
By golly, it is.
You were speaking about...
Casper Wellington. He seems to be fond of seals.
Yes, he used to raise them down at his place at the waterfront.
Where can I find him?
Try his house on River Street.
I've been there. He hasn't been home.
Then I wouldn't know. All of a sudden, I have an inspiration.
Inspire me.
He sometimes frequents a place down on Beck Street, number 428, room 3. A disgusting rooming house.
Thanks. Maybe I'll be back and buy one of those sound paintings.
My art is not for sale, only for exhibition.
I'll see you around, Vladimir.
Aloha, Piotr.